Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to merge multiple Google Sheets into a single master sheet. This is incredibly useful when you're working with data spread across different files and need everything consolidated in one place for easier analysis and management. First, navigate to workspace.google.com and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. From here, click on any spreadsheet to open it. This will serve as your starting point for installing the tool we need. Now look at the top menu bar and click on Extensions from the drop-down menu. Select Add-ons, then click Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace where you can browse and install various tools to enhance your spreadsheet functionality. In the search bar that appears, type in SheetGo. This is the add-on we'll be using to merge our sheets efficiently. Once you see it in the results, click on it to open the details page, then click Install to begin the installation process. You'll be prompted to click Continue to proceed with adding this extension to your account. Next, you'll need to log in to authorize the add-on. Simply click Continue when prompted. After that, you'll see an Access Permissions screen. Check all of the checkboxes to grant the necessary permissions, then click Continue. These permissions allow SheetGo to access and manipulate your spreadsheet data as needed. Once the installation is complete, you can close the installation window. Sometimes the add-on doesn't automatically appear in your interface. If that's the case, go back to the top menu, click Extensions, then find SheetGo in the list and click Start. This will activate the add-on. The SheetGo panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Click Create Automation to begin setting up your merge. You'll now see two options: export data from current sheet or select from Google Drive. For our purpose of merging multiple sheets, click Select from Google Drive. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the file picker opens. Sometimes this takes a bit of time, so be patient. Once the file picker is ready, browse through your files and select the first spreadsheet you want to merge. Click on it, then click Select to add it to your automation. At this point, you can customize which specific sheet within that file you want to merge and define the data range. This gives you precise control over what gets included. When you're ready to add more files, click Add Another Source. The file picker will open again, allowing you to select another file. Click on it and then click Select. Repeat this process for all the sheets you want to merge. Once you've added all your source files and are satisfied with your selections, click Next Step to move forward. Now click Merge Data, then click Done to confirm your merge settings. After that, click Go to Destination to specify where you want your merged data to appear. You'll see several options: import data to current sheet, select from Google Drive, or create new file. For a clean, organized result, let's click Create New File. This will generate a brand new spreadsheet containing all your merged data. Next, click Review Automation to double-check everything looks correct. When you're satisfied, click Finish and Run to execute the merge. Now the automation will begin processing your data. This takes some time depending on how much data you're merging, so be patient. It typically takes about a minute to finish, though larger data sets may take longer. Once the process is complete, you'll see an Open Destination button. Click it to view your newly merged master sheet, or simply click Finish to close the panel. And there you have it. All your separate Google Sheets are now combined into one comprehensive master sheet. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.